Let's go to question 9. A farmer is growing a field of wheat plants. The height h of each plant can be modeled by a normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. It's known probability of h less than 94.6 is 0.288 and a probability of h greater than 98.1 equals 0.434. Find the probability that the height of a randomly selected plant is between 94.6 centimeters and 98.1 centimeters. We are given probability of h less than 94.6 is 0.288. Probability of h greater than 98.1 is 0.434. We are looking for the probability of h greater than 94.6 less than 98.1. Since the area under this curve is 1, we got 1 minus 0.434 minus 0.288 equals. Let's go to B. Find the value of mu and the value of sigma. When we are looking for mu and sigma, we got to use z-score follows normal distribution with 0 as the mean, 1 as the standard deviation. So for probability of h less than 94.6 equals 0.288, we will use the inverse norm. 0.288 01 equals menu 553 0.288. Enter. Answer is negative 0.559237. This is z-score. We will use the definition 94.6 minus mu over sigma to set up the first equation. We are given probability of h greater than 98.1 equals 0.434. The area equals probability of h less than 98.1 equals 1 minus 0.434. So we get z2 equals inverse norm 1 minus 0.434 01 equals menu 553 1 minus 0.434. Then enter. Answer is 0.166199 equals 98.1 minus mu over sigma. We will get a second equation. For the first equation, times the sigma both sides. For the second equation, times the sigma both sides. Then we can use solving system equations in the calculator. Go to menu, 3 algebra, 7 solve system of linear equations. You have to press this right arrow button. We just use XY, then enter. Sigma equals 4.82. Mu equals 97.3. By GDC, sigma equals 4.82. Mean equals 97.3. The farmer measures 100 randomly selected plants. Any plant with a height greater than 98.1 centimeters is considered ready to harvest. Heights of plants are independent of each other. Find the probability that exactly 34 plants are ready to harvest. This Y follows binomial distribution with 100 and 0.434. Because we are given probability of H greater than 98.1 equals 0.434. We are looking for probability of X equals 34. We got to use binom PDF 100 0.434 34. Go to calculator. Menu 55. A is binom PDF 100 0.434 34. Enter 0.0133. C2. Given that fewer than 49 plants are ready to harvest, find the probability that exactly 34 plants are ready to harvest. This is a conditional probability. Probability of X equals 34 given that X less than 49 equals. Use the definition of conditional probability in the booklet. This is the formula for conditional probability. Probability of X equals 34. Intersection X less than 49. All over probability of X less than 49. Top equals the probability of X equals 34. Bottom equals the probability of X less than or equal to 48. Let's work out probability of X less than or equal to 48 first. We got to use the binom CDF 100 0.434. 0 is the lower bound, upper bound is 48. Go to binom CDF. Enter 0.848218. So do the substitution 0.0133 over 0.848218 equals 0.0157. In another field, the farmer is growing the same variety of wheat, but is using a different fertilizer. The heights of these plants, F centimeters, are normally distributed with a mean 98.6 and a standard deviation D. The farmer finds the interquartile range to be 4.82 centimeters. Find the value of D. Let's sketch this normal distribution, bell curved. Remember, this is symmetric about the mean 98.6. Q3 minus Q1 equals 4.82. Q1, Q3 are symmetric about 98.6. So the distance between Q1 and mean equals the distance between mean and Q3. Therefore, this is 2.41. This is 2.41. Q1 equals 98.6 minus 2.41 equals 96.19. We do know probability of F less than or equal to Q1 equals 0.25. Probability of F less than or equal to 96.19 equals 0.25. Since we are looking for standard deviation D, we got to use this Z-score. Z equals inverse norm. Area is 0.25. 01. Go to calculator. Go to menu. 553. 0.25. Enter. We got negative 0.67449. Also equals, based on the definition of Z-score, 96.19 minus 98.6 over sigma. Go up, down, equals, control divide. 96.19 minus 98.6 over A. Control menu, enter, enter, enter. A equals 3.57. Sigma equals 3.57, which means this D equals 3.57.